Christmas season is here, and I have a fun new twist on how you can decorate for the season. Stay tuned. Hello friends, and welcome to Gardening with Creekside. I am Jenny, and it is Christmas is officially here, so Merry Christmas everyone. We have a fun new way that you might want to consider on how to decorate inside of your house for this fantastic holiday season. Proven Winners approached us a couple of months ago and asked us if we would be willing to participate in a trial of growing some of their caladiums and then selling them at the holiday season for customers to use to decorate their homes at the Christmas season. And of course we said yes, and we were happy to do that. So what I'm going to share with you today are just some few simple ways that I am using the Proven Winners Caladiums to decorate the inside of our house. They are a nice, warm, tropical plant, so unless you live in like South Florida where your nights are still in the well above the 60s, this is going to be an indoor plant for you. Even for us in North Carolina, our nights are too cold for the caladiums to be outside, but it is nice and warm and toasty indoors, and they will do fantastic. Here on the table, I have just a very simple arrangement that you might want to consider instead of doing maybe a fresh cut flower arrangement. Say you're going to have for your Christmas dinner, or you're having, some close friends come over and you want to do a centerpiece. This is a great solution. What I have are some of the snowdrift caladiums, one on each side, simply in a 4-inch pot, and then a nice pretty red poinsettia in the middle. Just have a nice decorative box that I used some Spanish moss to kind of fill in. They are not potted into this container. This will last in this container here for, a week, 10 days without having to water them. Once you need to water them, of course, you'll kind of have to take them off your nice kitchen table so that you don't ruin the wood, and give them a nice good drink of water. Caladiums really indoors prefer a nice sunny location. They do like it kind of humid, so if you can find one of the more moist spots in your house, they will do great. And again, like I just said, you can water them about once every 7 to 10 days. They do not require as much water as you may think, or as they do in the summertime once they come indoors. So this is just a really, when you pair that red poinsettia with the snowdrift caladium, because the snowdrift is that great white with that nice deep dark green veining with some pink in there. Just that combination is gorgeous, and I love it. And this really took for me about, I don't know, less than 10 minutes to put into this little decorative pot. So that is a great option. Then here behind me, this is just this is our little buffet that we have in our kitchen. Every year we do our little mini Christmas tree with the little mini ornaments. I have my amaryllis is gorgeous, and she is an eager beaver this year. She's an overachiever because she is already blooming, and then the other ones are coming along behind her. What I did with this one, this red caladium, I simply had a really neat little decorative galvanized bucket that I got at our local craft store, and I just dropped it down into that galvanized bucket and then put a cute little ribbon on it, and we call it a day. Simple as that. Now, if you wanted to go ahead and repot your caladiums, you could certainly do that. Just use a nice high quality potting soil like the Proven Winners potting soil, repot them into a bigger container. You can leave it in that container in your home in a nice sunny location, Christmas and beyond, and then come spring when your nighttime temperatures are, at least in that upper 50s, 60 degrees, then you can move them outside. I've got some more caladiums in our living room, so let's go check those out. for our living room and our mantle, I decided to go very simple. I have 2 of the White Wonder Caladiums in the mantle mixed in with the greenery and the lights and the nutcrackers, and I just love how it makes just a nice, simple statement, very elegant, a little different spin, and very pretty. Those white centers of the White Wonders with that nice dark green edge just is really just a nice contrast to this whole area, and plays off really well with the greenery that I have up here. Again, I kept it really simple. I mean, life is complicated enough. Why should your Christmas decorating be complicated? Nobody has time for that. So just keep it simple, sweetie. That's my motto. And I love it. It's very classic, very easy. Again, I took that White Wonder that was in a 4-inch pot and I dropped it down inside of a terracotta pot. Again, I got it at the craft store for like $3. Very simple, but I went ahead and used that Spanish moss to kind of beef up and hide the fact that it's still in its nursery pot within the terracotta pot. I love having the terracotta pot because, yes, we're from North Carolina. We live on 8.5 acres out in the country, and this is just such a natural, easy element. I didn't want anything really flashy up here. I think with the lights and the decorations, it's flashy enough. Just keep it nice and clean and simple. Again, I just love it. I just think it's very easy. Now to water these are in those little terracotta pots. All I have to do is just lift them up, go water them, let them drain well, and then I just place them back. Easy peasy as that. And then over here on the other side of the Christmas tree, I have again another White Wonder that I went ahead and put in that terracotta pot right beside a red poinsettia. They just really pop off of each other. Nice big contrast. Have them sitting here on the end table between the Christmas tree and the sofa. Very, very simple, but nice statement, really pretty. That White Wonder again has that nice solid white center with that green edging, and then just has a little bit of the red up there at the top. So it just pairs and with that poinsettia just perfectly and lovely. So if you have an opportunity to find some Proven Winners Caladiums in your area, run, do not walk, and get them right now because they are so easy to incorporate into your Christmas decorations in your home for this season. And then of course you can keep them for the spring and take them outside. I hope you have found this helpful, inspirational. Y'all have a Merry Christmas. We'll see you in the next video. Bye, friends.